I got converse runs are high.
Hi guys, welcome to my video. So a few days ago I ordered converse runs are high because a lot of K-pop idols have them and they look so good, so I had to get them. Here's a quick unboxing. I got them on my actual size, even though when I buy Converse I always go half size down, but these guys fit perfectly. Let's get to the outfits. These shoes are really easy to style and you can wear them with all different types of styles. For the first outfit, I choose a plain white turtleneck with this lavender baby doll dress. It's really cute and comfortable. It looks really cute with a necklace, and I also have butterfly earrings. For the second look, I choose denim shorts with this black top and also my oversized red jacket. It's really comfy, it gives you a grunge vibe and also cute vibe at the same time. The next look is really popular these days. I tried the tennis skirt with a white shirt and an oversized sweater. This is lavender again, I love this color. The next look has more Korean soft vibes into it. I wore this white shirt with mini pants. It's a really good outfit to just go out with friends. Me sneezing. Bless you. Do not litter, just keep your papers on your pockets and then you'll be able to find them like me. Now some skinny jeans and yes, again another oversized sweater. This is me dancing to Stray Kids. Way too much TikTok. For a more casual look, I tried this light denim jeans with a gray sweater. For the final outfit, black straight jeans with the black top again, and this flannel that I stole my uncle. Personally, this was my favorite outfit and I think these shoes look amazing with this type of pants. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye!
もしもし